Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So I have Zena here. Can you say hi? Tell everybody hi and thank you. She's so excited. She loves video time. Wyatt's here. He's already in his typical video filming pose, which is his sleepy pose. I think the sound of my voice like instantly puts him to sleep. So as always, every time I have a box to share with you, I get super excited. This is no different. My Glamour Jewelry Box is here for the month of October. Love, love, love Glamour Jewelry Box. Such a fun jewelry subscription. If you haven't heard of it before, it is a monthly jewelry subscription. They actually offer two options. You can choose to get a single piece or you can choose to get 3 pieces. I get 3 pieces every month. A single piece is $14.95 and a plus $3.50 shipping. You can choose to cancel anytime or skip a month if you'd like. The 3-piece collection, which is what I get, is $9.93 an item, which works out to what, $28 I think, $29.79 maybe to be exact, plus $3.50 shipping and handling. So I think that's like $33.29 a month, and these 3 items are yours to keep. And you get a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings in each set. And it ranges from trendy to delicate, statement pieces. Always fun. I love them. I wear them all the time. I love my pieces. I wear them all the time. You do fill out a profile. It's a short one, and you can choose what type of metal you like. So if you want gold or silver, rose gold, you do get to fill out a profile and hopefully get whatever you love. So I'm so excited. Let's dig in and see what is in my box. Always, as soon as you open up your box, you do get a little card that tells you about your box. For your $30 a month, you do get jewelry valued at $75 or more every single month. And the little card that you get will tell you about your jewelry and tell you the retail value of it. So we'll get into that as I go through each of the jewelry. And then everything comes inside a nice little jewelry pouch. So let's check it out. Look how pretty. What do you think, Z? She immediately looked at it. I think she was hopeful that maybe it was for her. Huh, were you thinking it was for you? All right, so first up is a necklace. Everything comes in nice plastic, always in excellent packaging to keep it in good shape. So when it comes to you, it is in excellent condition. The quality of each of these pieces is always amazing. I've never had an issue with any of my items. I've been doing this for been getting these items for quite some time now. So here's the first piece. Look how pretty this is. Zena wants to play now. You can't see her, but she's actually trying to get my attention. Look how pretty that is. And this, the little jewelry pouch is the same color as my jacket, isn't it? Look how pretty. I love that. So delicate. So this is called the Aria Necklace. The Aria Necklace is a stunning pendant necklace that's simple enough for everyday wear, but can also be dressed up for a night out. And this one doesn't tell me actually the value of each of these. Normally it does. Maybe they're switching away from that. But the value is $75 or more. So let me put this on. Look how pretty that is. I have to move Z, sorry. So pretty. It has just enough sparkle and shimmer to draw your eye, but it's a nice delicate piece. It looks really pretty with what I have on. I like that. See if I can get you a little bit closer there. So pretty. All right, there's more. Let me take these earrings out I had on from this morning before I got to see what was in my box. Zena's ready to make a run for it. Why are you leaving, huh? Because there's nothing in this box for you. All right, next up is a bracelet. This is called the JP Cuff. This cup is bold where you can layer it or leave it solo, so easy to slip on and simply effortless. And look at the shimmer in this cup. Look how pretty this is. See, that's so pretty. And it have some flexibility to it. But I think that is so pretty. It has such a nice shimmer to it. So that is so pretty. What do you guys think of that? I like that it's flexible, so if you're leaning on your desk, which I do often when I'm, typing, writing, that it's not going to hurt. It just moves with you and has some bend to it, which this definitely does. And I like that. If you guys can actually see me moving it here, but it does have some movement to it. I like that. That's pretty. All right, and there's one more piece, the earrings. Oh, these are so pretty. Wait till you see these. So these are called the Paris Teardrop Studs. And it says the Paris Teardrop studs pair perfectly with everything already in your wardrobe. Whether for work or the weekend, these earrings are sure to be an everyday staple. Wait till you see these. These are gorgeous. See if I can show these to you in the best possible way. Can you see that? Look at that. Neighbor kids are outside playing. I don't know if you guys can hear them or not. But it's cold outside. That's why I'm not outside. It's very windy and chilly out. Look how pretty these are. I hope you guys can see them. I'll put them in and give you another look. So pretty. Got one in. Let's do the second one here. I just love these sets. I think they curate the pieces into such nice sets that go so well together. So I feel like these earrings are the standout piece. Look how pretty these are. What do you guys think? I think those are so pretty. Yep, I really like those. Very pretty. Looks so nice with the necklace. And then here's the bracelet. So there's all three pieces. These earrings I think are just gorgeous. I usually don't like studs, but I think these are gorgeous. They've sent a couple studs and I've liked both of them. And I'm normally not drawn to them, but I've liked all the ones I've received from my Glamour Jewelry Box. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you like these items? Love, love, love them. So, so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed these pieces. I do have a coupon code for you if you would like to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try. If you use the code HAPPY10, you'll get 10% off your first box. And I will put this information down below so you can give it a try. So pretty. I love this. Love, love, love. All three pieces. So much fun. So thank you so much for spending some time with me and my sleepy sidekicks here. Wyatt slept through the whole thing. Xena ran and hid. But now that she can hear me wrapping up, she comes out because she wants treats for payment. She's so funny. I love all my pieces. I love Glamour Jewelry Box. So much fun. These are so pretty. I think I'm going to leave them in for the rest of the day now. I'm all set. I'm all set, aren't I, Z? You coming back? Are you going to say goodbye to everybody? Tell them thank you. Say you're back. I'll put all this information down below in case you want to check any of this out for yourself. I so appreciate you spending your time with us today. Please click that like button and show us some support. I would love if you would hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. And now Zena's hitting the camera. Till next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.